Hi, I'm Melissa, an onboarding engineer. In this video, I'll walk through a quick before you solve checklist in Structural 3D so you can avoid common solver errors and get results faster. Before you solve, make sure your model has members or plates, supports, section and material properties, and loads. If you have plates, they must be meshed. Then we'll run repair model to catch issues before solving. First, confirm you actually have elements in the model. You need at least one member or plate to run analysis. If your model is empty, you can use the pen tool on the right to quickly place nodes and members. If you're creating a plate, place your corner nodes first, then go to Plates in the left-hand menu to create the plate from those boundary nodes. Next, add supports so the structure is restrained. Supports can be applied as nodal, line, or surface supports from the Supports menu on the left. In the restraint code, the 6 characters represent translations in X, Y, Z, and rotations about X, Y, Z. If you're unsure, hover over the info icon to review the format, or use the quick select support buttons for common support types. If you see structure is not constrained, it usually means one or more degrees of freedom are still free. As a quick test, you can temporarily set key supports to fully fixed to confirm the model is stable, then refine from there. Now, confirm sections and materials are assigned. To assign member sections and materials, go to Sections in the left-hand menu and click the Builder button at the top to open the Section Builder integration. Select a database section, then in the same pop-up you can assign a matching database material. Click Submit. By default, any members with unassigned sections will be assigned Section 1. You can add additional sections at any time and update a member's assigned section from the Members menu. For plates, assign a material by navigating to Materials, then click the Database button at the top to add a database material. After the material is added, click the plate in the model to assign that material to the plate. Make sure you have at least one load case with loads applied. You can add loads using the buttons under Loads in the left-hand menu, like point loads, distributed loads, area loads, pressures, moments, and self-weight. As you apply loads, use the load group name to organize them, since you'll map load groups to load cases later when you generate load combinations. You can also toggle each load group on and off in the visibility menu on the right. If you're generating wind, snow, or seismic loads by code, you can use the load generator integration to automate that workflow. And if you're running dynamic frequency or response spectrum analysis, you'll need to define masses and, for response spectrum, spectral loads under dynamic loads. I covered these steps in the load generator video. If your model includes plates, mesh them before solving. Unmeshed plates are ignored by the solver and repair model will flag them. To mesh a plate, open Plates and use the Mesh tool. Select the plates you want to mesh, then choose either a structured mesh for a more regular grid or an unstructured mesh for more complex boundaries. Adjust the mesh density, then apply. S3D will automatically detect members and nodes that connect to the plate so the mesh ties into your framing, and you can manually adjust those connections if needed. Before solving, go to Tools and open Repair Model. Repair Model runs checks and categorizes issues as critical, warning, or suggested. Use Preview to highlight issues directly in the model. For example, it may flag floating nodes that are not connected to members or plates. Fix critical issues before solving. Warnings may impact results and suggested items are optional cleanup. If you want to use the integrated design modules, you'll need load combinations, at least one strength combo to run design checks and one serviceability combo for deflection checks. To import code-based combinations, go to Load Combinations, open the Load Combination Generator, pick your region and design standard, map your load groups to load cases, then preview and import the generated combinations. If you prefer to build combinations manually, you can also enter the factors directly in Load Combinations, set the criteria to strength or serviceability, and click Apply to add them to your model. Once you've checked these items and repair model looks good, you're ready to solve and review results confidently. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, use chat support in the bottom right corner to reach me or our other onboarding engineers.